there. Merry Christmas from the Big Bad Wolf. Yeah, new location now. It's the family of the owner of this YouTube channel had to move. But look at this backyard. Alright, now we've got a beautiful white Christmas here. A real winter wonderland. First in quite a while. At first it looked like there wouldn't be any snow this Christmas. Like it was raining around most of Christmas Eve and early this morning. But then early during the morning, bam! A snowstorm covers us in a beautiful white blanket of Christmas snow. A real Christmas miracle, if I say so myself. And this area is also quieter than the old one too. Much less traffic noise for the most part. But there is a lot more nature here, like quite a bit of crows and squirrels, blue jays, even woodpeckers. And no, I'm not talking about a certain one with a certain goofy laugh. You know what? Maybe I'll show you around the new house a little bit. Come along. Look at this. Have you ever seen such a more Christmassy sight? Look, the joint even has a fireplace now. Perfect place to hang our stockings with a chimney of care, in hopes that our gifts soon would be there. Yeah, I still need to do a little more unpacking though. And we've got a bigger basement now too. Well, yeah, or a bigger model train layout, that's for sure. Well, this here is a temporary setup just for the Christmas season, running the little Christmas train. Yeah, it's now going to use Easy Track for bathroom. Still going to be DCC though. Hey, Walt was into model trains, so why not? And finally, my own pad here. I got my little console here for playing my records, too. It's perfect. So anyways, hope you all have a happy holiday and a happy new year, too.